What's going on, everybody? So I'm going to do a little test here with the Shark Apex. Let's see, I don't know how well you can see this. It should show up pretty well, but that's all fur from my Great Dane. Great Dane he's my personal dog. He stays in my room with me. His fur are like little tiny needles. So he has short fur, but his fur gets everywhere and just weaves itself in there. So, what I'm going to test is, we're going to see if this vacuum can pull this fur out. So I know my pet hair eraser struggles with it. My Dyson does a great job at it. Never really paid attention to this. So I'm just going to do a few passes over it, because realistically, one pass is not enough when you have a pet household. And I don't know how many people actually vacuum and just do one pass and call it good, so let's see how this does. Alright, we'll call that good. That was a few passes, so let's see how that did. You can see this is the path directly in front of the vacuum, and it looks like it got all the fur out. So I would say that this vacuum, if you have pets, especially short-haired pets where their fur gets everywhere, this would be a good one that pulls their fur out of the carpet. I'll vacuum the rest of this again. I vacuum almost every day, like I said. There's a piece of my dog's nail. It fell off the side of his nail, I guess. And this is the rest of the carpet where I didn't vacuum. So, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped you out. Like this video, comment below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.